Okay, today I'll be teaching you about HTML. Okay, I'll give you an introduction tutorial and tell you all about it. So, what is HTML? That's the main question you gotta ask. Well, HTML is a language for describing web pages, and it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, meaning it's not a programming language, it's markup. And a markup language is a set of markup tags. Now, as you can see here in my editor, you can see all these markup tags everywhere. Yeah. Anyways, and HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages and web documents. Tags. Let's start with HTML tags. The HTML markup tags are usually called just HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets. Here's one of them, also known as the less than and greater than symbols. HTML tags normally come in pairs, like right here, the heading tag. Here's a pair. And the first tag in the pair is the start tag and the end tag. It's also called the opening and closing tag. And the HTML documents also describe the web page. They also contain HTML tags in plain text. So the purpose of a web browser, like Internet Explorer, Firefox, is to read the HTML documents and display them as web pages. The browser does not display the tags, but uses the tags to interpret the content. So, yeah. For example, let me show you here. So, let's go to Google and show you how it works. So I can use my documents here to show you how they work in the browser. And okay, let's open up a document file. Oh gee. Okay, I don't think my internet's working. But anyways, it should have been up. Anyways, I'll have it up tomorrow for more. So let's look at this one. Now, the reason why it works without my internet working is because it's accessing the file straight from my local drive, my hard drive. It's in the system, not somewhere else where the internet needs to fetch it. So that's why it works. So you can view all your web pages that you make yourself, and you can even save web pages from the internet and still view them offline, since they're saved into your local drive. Anyways, as you can see, this is how it is, and you will see if you click on view page source, you can see the same stuff as you see on here. So that shows you how it works. It reads all this and inputs it into here. So let's go back. Now, what do you need? You really don't need anything to learn HTML. You don't need an HTML editor, but I'm lucky to have one, PHP 7. You don't need a web server, although it's nice to have one. Like over here, that's where this website is. I mean, a friend have a server on with that website, but you don't even need a website. Although I'm working on this one with a friend. A website, if you don't need one, because this is how you build one. So editing HTML can be written and edited using many different editors like Dreamweaver, Visual Studios, and PHP Designer 7. However, in this tutorial, I believe using a plain text editor is the best way to learn HTML. For example, using oh shit, my mistake. For example, if I were to Okay, I use this one in Notepad, but you can see it's, oh shit, my bad. I'm making so many mistakes here. Okay, let's see. You can actually use Notepad for all you people who didn't know that. This is heading 2. And unlike in the text editors, most text editors write out the closing tag for you. In Notepad they don't, so it's nice to study on Notepad to get you used to writing the whole script right. Code. So let's save as Notepad. Yes. So we can go there, and if it works, works in the browser. You can save it on Notepad and stuff, but be sure to keep your files organized and stuff so you can find them and know what's what. Even Notepad works just as good as the text editor, as long as you're pretty good at them. This isn't okay. So as you can see, it's loading up any day now. Damn computers. I'm kind of running an older system. Oh, okay, here we go. Funny. But yeah, you can see how it works on the Notepad. You can even go down here and click page source, view page, my bad, and see the same stuff. But anyways, but when you're saving the document, most people ask, do I use .html or .htm file extension? Well, when you save an HTML file, you can use either the HTML or .html. There's really not any difference. It's really entirely up to you. Personally, I like .html. I don't know why it's one letter longer, but who cares? But that concludes my tutorial on the introduction to HTML. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.